Hi, this is Sari with Starkweather Association Services, coming to you today with another 1 Minute YM. If every event in your YM site lives under one giant event category, you're probably creating way more work than necessary. This is one of the most common issues we see with organizations managing webinars, conferences, chapter meetings, trainings, and member only events all in the same setup. Members are going to struggle to find the right events, your reporting gets messy, pricing rules overlap, and your team ends up relying on workarounds just to keep things organized. The good news, YM gives you full control over your event categories, and most organizations don't even realize it. By creating distinct categories for different event types, you can keep your registration flows clean, separate pricing and reporting, improve the member experience, and even power dynamic event feeds and landing pages automatically. Organizations with large event portfolios, like training programs and associations with recurring classes, use this approach to prevent problems before they become frustrating and expensive. Let's take a quick peek at this easy setup. So you log into the back end of the site, go to events, and then manage categories. Here you can see all the categories. Just type in the name of the category here. Click on add. Now that's been added, you'll see right here, and you can click to edit this to add a color. And then hit save. If your event setup feels cluttered, this is one of the easiest ways to fix the foundation of your YM site. And if you want help optimizing your setup, book a consultation with Starkweather Signature Solutions today. If this video helped you, like and subscribe so YouTube can share it with more organizations looking for YM support. Also, what is your biggest challenge your team faces managing multiple events in YM? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks so much and have a great day.